Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Dr. Azizah. We are group FreshDev. We will be presenting our progress that focus on the front-end development phase of our project, which is the University Event Management and Ticketing System. So specifically, I will work through the implementation of two core modules assigned to me, which is the event management and also the notification and interactive calendar modules. So let's begin from the perspective of the student organizer or club committee member. Here we are on the event management dashboard. So when the organizer want to launch an event, they need to click the new event, and organizer need to fill in the event form that include the event title, category, date, time, venue, capacity, price level, and also description. So to ensure the flawless UX and clean data entry, implement direct front-end validation. So if the user attempt to save this form with an empty field or set an event date in the past, direct error warning will be appear under the input boxes like here. So the organizer need to fill in the form first. For example, like I create the and enter the date, time, the venue, the capacity, the price, and also the description. And then it to publish. And then it will display in this page and also in the student system. The organizer also can edit the event, and also they can delete the event that has been created. And organizer also can send push notification like here, and they need to fill in the notification title, like event edit, the message, and also send the push notification, and it will appear in the send history here, and also it will sync in the student page. And now I will move to the student part. So here student can see the event management. They can see the list of the event here, and can also view the seats available. And then they also can view the event calendar and also state the event that has been created in the calendar. And they can see in terms of months view and also list view. Okay, next, for the notification, they need to sync the my calendar first, and then the event will be synced in the calendar, and also the notification that has been pushed by the organizer also will be appear here. It will sync here. I think that's all for my part. And next we'll be moved to the next modules.
Assalamualaikum and good morning, Doctor. My name is Muhammad Muzafri bin Muhammadahar, and I am responsible for the ticket booking and payment simulation modules. So without further ado, let's start with the demonstrations for ticket booking. I will now browse our dynamic event gallery and select the music Festival Spring 2026 to start the booking. So we are now on the event detail screen marked as a step 2 of our booking stepper. On the left side, you can see the event meta information is rendered, and on the right side, you can see we have our reactive ticket selector. Here, I have implemented a strict rules where the tickets are limited to 5 per booking to manage capacity. If an event is sold out, the button disabled immediately. As you can see that as I add tickets, you can see the subtotals and a 6% of service fees and the grand total are recalculated instantly in the DOM. I will click book now to log in our draft booking. So you can see we are at step 3. We enter the booking review layout. This acts as a confirmation screen where the student review their selected events, dates, and cost breakdown before submitting the payment details. Then I will click continue to payment. This is the payment detail view. You can see we have a payment simulator, the credit card or debit card, online banking or e-wallets. So if I click a failed payments, you can see that it will show an alert message saying that the transaction declined by the simulator. Um, Also, if we unclick it, you can see that it will proceed to the done module, done view, which is a booking confirmed. You can see the students is represent with the check icon. Their order summary and a unique booking reference number is generated in the format of UE, followed by an 8 character alphanumeric strings. So simultaneously, this write a booking confirmation notifications and syncs the date with the student's calendar. This is the booking summary. You can see the number of tickets, the subtotal, and the total fee. Next, I will navigate to the booking dashboard. You can see here, this page render all active and cancelled orders along with the granular payment history panel, synchronized with the local storage to survive page refreshes. Students can modify ticket numbers directly. Crucially, I have add a cancellation safeguard. By clicking cancel booking, it can trigger a system confirmation model. If I click OK, the booking status is set to cancelled and the cancel not and the calendar or notification item adjusts reactively. You can see if I click the cancel booking, it will cancel the payment. This complete my presentations. Thank you.
This meeting is being recorded.
Assalamualaikum, Doctor. My name is Fatima Janad, and today I will be giving you a demo of my front end for my two modules, the forum discussion and the community feedback. So once over here, as you can see on the screen, if you log in as the student, you will be, and click on forum discussion over here in the navigation, you will be taken to the forum discussion part of our website. And in the forum discussion part, you can see all the different types of discussion that is going around about the various events by other people. So I've added a few example event uh, discussion posts over here. And these event discussion posts, you can kind of check them out by category. If there is no discussion under a specific category, there's going to show that no discussion found. And then if you want, you can also search it up by like on the search bar. So like, let's say this one. And then if you want to add to the discussion, you can also do that. So you first choose the event and then you can write a discussion title. And then you can post the discussion. And once it's posted, it will show up here. And then if you want, you can also add to the discussion. So you can reply to this and let's say, um, reply will appear over here. And if you want, you can also delete your reply. And that is the forum discussion module. Then if you click on the feedback module, then you can look at other people's feedbacks. And then if you want, you can also submit your own feedback. So like, let's say research symposium, and you can write your comment. So like, Then you can submit your feedback, and your feedback will appear over in the recent reviews. If you want, you can also delete your feedback, and it will also be deleted. So that is the community feedback and the forum discussion module from the student point of view. Now I will show you the the forum discussion side and the uh, community feedback from the organizer point of view. So from the organizer point of view, it's the same. You can check the different types of discussions by category as well. And if you want to search it up, you can also do that. And then if you want, you can check the discussion. Mm, mm, and then you can send in a reply. You can also delete the replies if you want. And then if you want, you can also create um, sort of a discussion post. Mm, Then you can post and create a discussion, and it will appear right over here. And then for the community feedback part, the organizers, they can just read the different types of community feedback. They can't really like add or delete a community feedback, because the purpose of the community feedback is to just read the reviews and read the scores of the people who went to the events. So that is my two models. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum, Doctor. My name is Loyal Qadasi and I'm from group number 9, FreshDevs. And my two modules are user dashboard and event gallery. I'm going to demonstrate them right now. As you can see here, I'm in the home page. I'm going to browse to the events. As you can see here, from each events, from one to another, we don't have a whole reload, just smooth and seamless transaction. And here in the event, as you can see here, I have a search bar for searching. If I want to search for this tech innovation, I just go for searching for it, and as you can see there, it's filtered like academic, sport, arts, technology, career, and social. So you can have them all here. Some of them are paid and some of them are for free. The payment method, I was thinking it was for Amir. Yeah, correct. So for the first one I'm going to show is the seamless transactions and the filtering in the user in the event gallery. Moreover, if I went to the network lab, for example, I'm in the home one, and I went to the events. As you can see here, the event using the Axios, which is 9 events fetch. But if I went to the network lab, I can see the event Johnson, which is this one. If I reload again, you can see that it's fetching all the ones we talked about. And here you can see it's fetching from the Axios for the event JSON. That's for the network lab as well. For the layout, I made it for different layouts. If you check out the for example, the phone layout, it's only one grid. This is Samsung or Galaxy. As you can see here, it's only one grid, one column. And maybe for the iPad, if we went to the iPad Pro, it's going to show 2 columns, which is grid 2. And finally, for the laptop, which is the normal one, you can show the 3 columns layout. This is all for the events, as you can see here. For the second one, which is the dashboard, if you want to go from here or there, you can go to the dashboard itself. You can have the profile settings. If you want to update your name, for example, to make it Loyal Qadasi only, this is your email, your metric number. Maybe I want to change it to this. I'm gonna keep the department and add my phone number. And maybe anything about myself. I am Loy, and if I have to save the changes, and the profile is already activated, saved. Before it was Loyal Qadasi 2. If I want to update but I didn't add a new name, it's going to show me an error there and tell me to update it later on. And for my registrations, if I want to check my own registrations, I didn't now register for any events yet, but if I registered randomly for anyone there and anyone's, and I went to the dashboard itself, you can see in my registrations all the events and all the technology, the filters, they are already on. I think this is all for me. The account settings, if you want to update, or to notification preference to set them as much as you want. And I think this is all for my two modules, which were the event gallery and the user dashboard. Thank you very much.